Hey everyone, Trevon with the BG Technical Support Team here. Today we're going to be looking at the BG-Commander-G2. That's generation 2 of our BG Commander series. First big thing you're going to notice is the 5-inch touchscreen versus the small LCD screen here on the BG Commander generation 1. And what this 5-inch touchscreen is going to offer is active monitoring for your cameras, as well as PTZ search functions and a lot more features. What we have in our setup here is our BG-Commander-G2 hooked up with our BG Adamo Jr. PTZ camera. We have the shot of the BG Adamo Jr. here showing. We currently have both of these devices connected, powered, and networked via PoE, single cable going straight to a network switch. And we're going to jump into it and get into some of the features. Okay, so let's just jump right into the interface. We're going to start at the setup. So you can see this interface is very clean, very modern. So I'm going to go into the setup, and you have all your basic settings. You have your language, your sound. Then you can, of course, go in and change your network settings. You have static, DHCP. Usually DHCP is recommended if it's available. Then you can set your time, different time zones. Pretty straightforward there. And then, of course, after you set everything up, get your device networked, set your time, you want to go in and add a camera. So you have your device list here. That's going to be the first option. And then one of the highlighted features that we want to showcase here is the search function. So simply you would just hit the search. Once it finds cameras on the network, you can go ahead and add those cameras. So here's a camera we have added here, the BG Adamo Jr. in front of me. And then if you want to manually add your camera, you have your manual add. It'll take you through all the steps. And it does have a virtual keyboard you can jump into, make things a lot easier. Okay, and then once you have your cameras added, all your settings set, you go ahead and jump into the preview. That's where you'll find all of your cameras and then be able to monitor and control them. You see here I have camera 2. That is the BG Adamo Jr. sitting in front of me. You can go ahead and see me come in and out. Pan, tilt, zoom. Everything is pretty much real time. And then on the left side of the controller here, you're going to see your red, blue gain, your iris, different exposure settings. Let me see how those work here. And of course, once you make manual changes, you can go ahead and hit auto, and everything will come right back. Same with the iris, and then focus. And then for those more tighter zoom shots, when you want to cleaner zoom while you pan and tilt, you have your knob here for zoom, while you can pan and tilt. That way you have a clean and smooth shot. There we go. Okay, and like I mentioned before, you can use the joystick to control the interface and touch. Works interchangeably. You can see here in the settings, I can tap around, go anywhere I want, and then I can use the joystick as well. And so overall, the main difference between the standard BG Commander and our BG Commander-G2 is going to be that 5-inch touchscreen, full color, touch, and joystick controlled. So if you've seen our old BG Commander, it has a basic LCD screen where you can access all of the control settings. With this one, you're going to have those same access. You're going to have that same access to the control settings, but you're going to have the preview, which is something that we've gotten requests for, especially for larger systems with multiple cameras. Trying to run multiple HDMI cables out of the cameras to different monitors can be pretty complicated. So with the BG Commander-G2, everything is centralized. All of your camera feeds are here, easy to access, control. And overall, with everything centralized, all the cameras added over IP, including the video feeds coming in over IP, minimizes the need to run multiple HDMI cables from cameras to monitors, simplifying everything for the operator. Additionally, with the camera search function, it minimizes the time needed to add all of your cameras, especially if you're running more than 5 cameras. And overall, this is just an overview of the BG-Commander-G2. We will get into more details in later videos. We can go into the web interface, setting up multiple cameras, monitoring and controlling multiple cameras with this preview feature, and much more. So this is just a quick overview of the BG-Commander-G2. We will be getting into more detail about the BG-Commander-G2 in later videos, where we'll be going over the web interface, some of the other features, and we can add multiple cameras to this and explore the different ways you can switch between multiple camera feeds and control multiple cameras with this device. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.